Hey guys, my name is Miss Knable, and I'm going to be working with a lot of other math teachers in Ennis on making different lesson plans for you guys and different videos for you guys to work on some of your math skills at home. So today we're going to be talking about place value, and some of the other links that are in this lesson are about place value and kind of remind you a little bit about the value of numbers. So the one that we're going to talk about today is expanded form. And remember, expanded form is when you're pulling apart the place value and you're adding the value of each digit to create the sum of the whole number. So let's go ahead and read our problem. Tanks Peak, a mountain peak in Colorado, has an elevation of 8,726 feet. Which expression has the same value as 8,726? So the first thing I want to do whenever I'm looking at this problem is I want to think about the problem and what it's asking. It's asking which of these answer choices has the same value of this number. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this number from the problem and I'm going to write it into a place value chart. So let's go ahead and use my extra space over here to create a place value chart. Let's remember what each place value is called. This is the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. Sorry, my board's a little wobbly. And now I'm going to take the digits from the number and I'm going to plug them into the place value chart. So 8 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the tens, and 6 is in the ones. So the value of each of these digits is represented by the place value that they're in. So let's go ahead and I'm looking at my answer choices and I'm going to plug these answer choices into place value charts separately so that I can compare them to what my original number is to determine the answer. So let's look at A. A says 800 plus 700 plus 26. So right away, I see that there's 800 and 700. Both of those digits are in the same place value, so I'm going to have to combine them because I can't have two digits in the same place value. So 800 plus 700 equals 1,500 because 7 plus 8 equals 15. So I'm going to go ahead and write that place value chart out here. My ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands. And like I said, 8 plus 7 is 15, so that gives me a total of 800 plus 700 equals 1,500. My next value in this answer choice is 26. Well, that's the same as 2 tens and 6 ones, so I can plug those digits into those place value. So answer choice A is 1,526. Well, does that match our original answer? No. So I can go ahead and eliminate answer A. Let's look at B. B says 8,000. Once again, sorry, I'm going to draw out another place value chart. 8,762. So I'm going to plug that information into my place value chart. 8 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the hundreds, 6 is in the tens, and 2 is in the ones. So far I'm going to match that. 8,700. Oh, I see a problem. Do you see it? This digit and this digit are reversed. Do they have the same value if they're not in the same place? No. So I can go ahead and eliminate answer B because that is not the same number that we had written before. Let's look at the next one. The next one says 8,700 plus 206. Once again, I'm seeing some answer choices here that have numbers in the same place value, so I'm going to have to combine those. So 8,000, but then the next one says 700, and this one says 200. So I'm going to have to combine those values. So 7 plus 2, or 700 plus 200 is the same as 900. So 8,900, and then I don't have any numbers in the tens place, so I can keep that place value with a 0, and then add the 6 for the ones place. I'm going to go ahead and fill in that place value. And then let's see if it matches our original. Right away, I can tell that there's a different digit in the hundreds place, so I can eliminate C. Oh, that means D is our answer, right? Because it's the last one, it has to be it. No, we can't just circle it, we have to check it. So let's go ahead and draw our place value chart out for answer D to be sure that we did not make a mistake anywhere, and see if it matches our original value. So 8,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 6. I'm going to plug that in. 8,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 6. Does it match our original? Yes, it does. So that means that the expanded value or expanded form for 8,726 is 8,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 6. So here our answer is D.